All right, we're here at 379 North Bronson Avenue in Los Angeles. We're running the camera from the 3-inch cleanout that was installed by the plumber from under the house to the outside. And right now we're all the way out to the city connection in the middle of the street. We're right at the city connection with slightly a little bit offset over there. That's very common that you're going to get a little bit of offset there. You see right there. So with the cameras going into the pipe of there, that's very common. You're going to find that when you get a Y and an eighth bend. In the old days they put things together with cement, so it never really lines up perfectly. However, the water was running very well and it's pretty clean. So we're going to bring it, you see, if you bring it back, you can see the slight little shift in the line, you see? Very slight over there. So it's pretty clean. Coming back, it's a 6-inch clay pipe coming back from the middle of the street towards the property. And this is nice and clean over here. Very clean, 6-inch clay pipe. A little bit of mortar on the joint, that's very normal, nothing to worry about there. And it comes onto the property, changes to a 4-inch clay pipe. It's got very minor little teeny roots coming in. These are very minor roots. It's very common. You're going to find little roots coming through the joints as we're going to keep coming back. Looks pretty clean, and then it comes back to some cast iron pipe. Cast iron's obviously getting a little old, and remember we're looking at the inside of the pipe. We cannot see the outside. What we want to look for is big holes in the pipe or very heavy rust buildup. This doesn't look too bad. It's obviously getting old, but it's still functioning and looks okay. Now remember, we're looking at the inside of the pipe. We cannot see the outside. Now just remember, when we were running the camera in, which we'll show you when we come back, that there were roots in the cast iron pipe getting in underneath the house. This is a little bit of rust buildup, getting a little old, but it's functioning. There's no roots or anything like that coming into it.
We're not under the house yet.
No, we're outside.
Yeah.
We're outside the house. That's why it's always a good idea to really have another clean out where the pipe exits the house. Just in case you want to have to clean the line, it's going to be much easier from the outside than from this clean out over here.
That's grease, the white stuff you see.
The white stuff is what?
It's grease.
A little bit of grease and sludge, you know. It comes back to ABS plastic here. This looks good over here. This is on the outside of the house. They obviously had replaced this. So you see the cast iron's getting old, but it's functioning. We always recommend that you never flush tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, things like that. And when you flush a toilet, don't just flick the handle. Hold the handle down so that you get a lot of water to take it all out. Now, this is where the pipe exits the house over there. Now you see, right over here, we're going to start, it's going to go under the house now.
Oh.
You see these roots over here? That's very heavy roots. That tells me that the pipe's cracked underneath and broken under the house. Look at that.
That's probably that
It's underneath the back, well, probably,
yes,
yeah.
because they said there was a crack.
Well,
And
this
now
is definitely...
goes to ABS.
Then it goes to ABS. So the section of cast iron pipe underneath the house to the outside has to be replaced.
So
And once
why
you
would they
do,
have done ABS, and left the piece in the middle?
because it's probably going underneath the foundation, and it's probably a little difficult to get to. We're going to go ahead, stop the recording over here.